I'm Gladys Angel in Labang. I'm from the group 10. So my task is to explain the slide 9 to slide 12. So slide 9. Money is needed too. This slide emphasizes the essential costs a business must cover to operate. Money is required for various aspects such as purchasing tools and equipment. Businesses need the proper tools and machines to produce goods or offer services. Next is buying materials and supplies. Raw materials, office supplies, and other essentials are needed for production. Next is paying for power, water, and rent. Utilities like electricity and water and rent for physical space are recurring expenses for any businesses. Paying salaries and wages. Employees must be compensated for their work. Next, maintaining operations. Regular maintenance of equipment and facilities is necessary for small business operations. Next is recovering other business expenses. This could include marketing, transportation, insurance, or any other overhead cost. So essentially, this slide highlights the operational costs that are part of running a business and why having sufficient funds is crucial to maintain those activities. In slide 10, expenses revenue cycle. This slide explains the basic business cycle of how money moves within a business. So first is spend money. Businesses initially spend money on raw materials, labor, equipment, and etc. Second is produce goods or services. The business creates products or services from the resources it acquired. Third is sell products. The goods or services are sold to customers, generating revenue. Fourth is earn revenue. The business receives income from these sales. Last is use revenue to operate again. The earned revenue is reinvested into the business, enabling it to continue the cycle by purchasing more materials, paying wages, and etc. This cycle is critical for business survival. If the business doesn't generate enough revenue through sales, it can't sustain its operations, leading to financial troubles. In slide 11, when sales are made, this slide focuses on the importance of sales to the business cash flow. So, money returns to the business. After a sale is made, the revenue generated is reinvested into the business. So, used for buying new materials. The business buys more resources to keep producing goods or services. Paying employees. Employee salaries are covered from the revenue earned. Next is paying bills and debts. Business expenses like rent, utilities, and other obligations are paid. Saving profit. A portion of a revenue is saved as profit for future use, growth, or reinvestment. So if sales don't happen, for example, no income, the business struggles to cover its expenses, pay staff, or maintain its operation. A lack of sales can lead to business failure. So in slide 12, this is a short summary. So this slide gives a concise recap of the key points. So accounting, recording financial information. So This is the process of tracking money in and out of the business. Next is finance, managing money and planning. Finance is the strategic side, planning how to use and manage funds effectively. Next is money is essential for business operations. Without money, the business can't buy materials, pay wages, or functions, of course. So good financial management increases profit and prevents failure. Effective financial practices and decision making help the business grow and avoid financial issues. So, these slides outline how essential money management is for the success of the business, emphasizing the need for strategic financial planning, accurate accounting, and efficient cash flow management. Thank you.